Hello! Continuing with the series focused on health and wellness called Ergonomics. In the previous two videos, I spoke about the top posture mistakes and how to fix them. This video is dedicated to work from home and study. And at the end, I will explain the ideal work pattern with a pie chart for better yield. So watch till the end. Is your house equipped with necessary accessories for work from home? How do you do your meetings and kids do their studies? Have you heard terms like sitting is a silent killer or sitting is the new smoking? This is not to scare you but to make you think and provide the options. Then what is the solution? Choose a desk or table which is convenient to raise or lower as per the requirement. This position will help to be more energetic, alert and focused. One can stretch the body conveniently in between. As there is choice of both sitting and standing, one can avoid back pain. Along with the ergonomic table, having a good chair is necessary. A chair which is easy and convenient to raise or lower as per the need. Reclined backrest that gives better lumbar support. Casters for easy and all-around movement. After choosing a proper desk and chair, the next important thing is lighting. Make sure you are sitting in proper lighting to reduce eye strain, headache, burning or itching eyes. Make complete use of natural light. How to do that? Check my video in the description box below. And if natural light is insufficient, use artificial light. If you want to know more about lighting, you can get enrolled in my course, which is one of the most liked courses. Standing on a hard surface for longer hours leads to leg pain. Use rubber mat below your legs or pair of rubber slippers that will provide cushioning and act like a damper to your legs. One more thing we often neglect is the brightness of the screen. Too bright or dim screen, both are not good for your eyes. Opt for auto mode that will adjust the brightness according to the ambient light. However, standing doesn't replace exercise. One needs to take frequent breaks after every 30 minutes. To know more about how to take breaks, check my previous videos, top posture mistakes and how to fix them. Finally, what is the ideal work pattern? Let us suppose someone is working for 7.5 hours. We will break it into 30 minutes each. In that, 20 minutes sitting, 8 minutes standing and 2 minutes should be given to stretching. So in a day, 5 hours sitting, 2 hours standing and half an hour of break is the ideal work pattern for a healthy life. If you follow the above guidelines, then you will increase your efficiency along with better focus. With this, I come to an end. But wait, to know more about posture and to have in-depth knowledge of interior design, I have created a course called Interior Design and Decoration, which is highly rated and one of its kind. Similarly, there are many other unique courses which I am sure will be of great value. You will get all the links in the description box below. See you soon with one more interesting topic. Till then, take care and bye-bye.